Our ingredients for our orange chicken is Himalayan salt, black pepper, cornstarch, brown sugar, hoisin sauce, olive oil, sesame oil, buttermilk, orange juice, garlic paste, ginger paste, orange pepper seasoning, our chili and red pepper chili flakes, soy sauce, and our chipotle chili pepper, and our orange and sesame seed. Well, I've already washed my chicken with lots of lemon juice. That's why it kind of looks really dried out and a little discolored, because gotta make sure that chicken is clean, honey. So I'm gonna zest my orange. I always put my orange or my lemon or my lime in the freezer because it allows it to zest easier. So I'm gonna put some zest on the chicken. Don't throw your orange out. You could, eat what's inside, or, you could do other things with it. So even though you may not have the skin left on it, you still want to keep that good orange. And plus, we're making orange chicken, so we need every part of this orange. I am putting our lemon pepper seasoning, and then I'm adding our salmon seasoning too to this. This may seem like a lot, but it's not, because once you put that buttermilk on it, it's going to absorb a lot of the seasoning, so you still want to make sure you have flavor. And mix this together. And then I'll pour my buttermilk and then put this in the fridge for about an hour with the buttermilk. Okay. Let me add my buttermilk to this. So like I told you, see, a lot of the buttermilk, a lot of the seasoning is on the buttermilk now. So that's why it was really important to season your chicken itself as much as we did, because this stuff is resin sitting in the buttermilk. See, that buttermilk now has, just so you can take a look, that buttermilk now has all of a lot of the seasoning. So I am taking, now my cornstarch is already seasoned with the orange pepper, like I said, and some chipotle chili, and as well as some Montreal chicken seasoning. And I'm just dipping the chicken that was in the buttermilk inside the bowl that has the cornstarch to shake it up. This is also a factor that helps add to the crispiness. Putting it in a bowl and shaking it, putting the lid on top and shaking it up. And now let me take these out. Oh, look at that, look at that. Beautiful. Nice golden brown. Now I will put in the pieces I had shaken. In. So here's our chicken for our orange chicken. So now we're going to make our sauce for the orange chicken. It's nice and crispy. It is totally GBD and decadent. So I put 3 tablespoons of olive oil in here. And I have a little bit of red pepper flakes I'm putting in here to make our sauce, our orange sauce. kind of letting the fragrance of the red pepper go in here. I'm putting the rest of my garlic paste that I have left. Oops. Try to get every bit of it out. Okay. Bring that around here, and I'm going to get a little bit of my ginger paste as well. Move on to that. And I was able to get a little under a tablespoon. The garlic paste and the ginger paste, I have about 1 tablespoon. Let me go to 1 tablespoon and a quarter for that. Okay, we got red bell pepper flakes. Turn down my heat a little bit. Just keep popping me. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my orange juice in here. All of it. And that was about 2.5 cups of orange juice I have here. First I'm going to add a little toasted sesame oil. And when I say a little bit goes a long way. That's it. Now let's get our soy sauce. That's going to be, I'm going to go for about 1/2 cup. Okay, about 1/2 cup. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons, about 2.5, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then I'm going to add some hoisin sauce. About 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. And then I'm gonna get my orange and zest that. We're gonna make a slurry as well. So when we need to thicken the sauce, we can do that. So right now, we're just gonna allow this to kind of cook down. And I'm gonna zest some orange into this. Okay, so I'm zesting the orange. So it could be a nice, pungent orange sauce. Now, you could add more brown sugar to your liking, to your taste, if you think that it's not, sweet enough, because generally orange chicken is sweet. I did add another 2 tablespoons from the 3 I had, so it's a total of 5 tablespoons. And it's not really sweet, but it has that nice, the orange taste really comes out with it, with the additional brown sugar. So I added our slurry, which was the cornstarch and water, and now you can see the sauce is really thickening. So I'm just gonna allow it to reduce. And this is just the orange juice mixed with the sesame. So this is how you see like this film around it. So I'm just gonna kind of like leave it alone. Like I said, allow it to reduce, and then we'll add our protein. I am taking, just put my finger over it because I don't want the seed to fall in. I am squeezing on the orange that I had zest so I can get the natural juice out of there. And I usually would like to take the pulp as well and add to the sauce so you can get that real essence. So usually I take like a little bit of the pulp, as much as the pulp that I can get from here, and add it to my sauce. My sauce is nice and thick. Okay. There we go. I think this is maybe a seed or something. This might help liquefy it just a little bit, but I just love that intense orange flavor. Here's our orange chicken, totally done. Ooh-wee, look at that delicious orange chicken. Crispy fried with some cornstarch, coated with some delicious orange sauce, garnished with our sesame seeds, some green onions, aka scallions, and orange slice, and accompanied with, you know what, jasmine rice. Our orange chicken has chicken breast with vitamins B6, B12, niacin, orange juice, A, C, folate, calcium, oranges, B6, C, fiber, folate, and calcium, ginger, B3, B6, C, folate, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc, garlic, B6, C, manganese, and psyllium, and some cornstarch, which has traces of calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, psyllium, phosphorus, copper, manganese. Seniors who live with grandchildren are more likely to be food insecure than those who don't. Because of this factor, it increases from 6.3% to 17.8%. This is over the double amount of seniors who are food insecure. To learn more, you can visit us at jdhcdc.org. Ta-da! Orange chicken. So, let's taste it. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. So, I'm saying here. Nice and intense orange flavor. That's what I like. Just a little green. It still tastes the crispiness from being fried. But it's not a heavy crispiness, it's a light, because we fried it in cornstarch only. I love the intense orange flavor. Not overpowering, but enough that you know you're eating orange chicken. Because sometimes, you know, they tell you, oh, you're eating orange chicken, or you're eating lemon pepper, for example, and you're like, where's the lemon or where's the pepper? You definitely taste it here, the orange. This is so good. So good, really. So here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button, It's a Virtual Hug. When you do that, that lets me and my team know that you're enjoying the content we're putting out for you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the bell notification so you know every time we upload a new video. I thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. And you too can make this orange chicken. And if you want to use shrimp instead of orange or beef, you can do that as well. Use what you have at home. I'm a big believer in that, and I always say that, and I mean it. Again, I love you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me again. I really do appreciate you and your time. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.